Hi guys, Fonzie from GM Motorsport, Australia Speed. Today we've got, well, this is our fifth car and it's Friday, 7 o'clock. We know how to get things done, so it's been a big day with our 10 staff. So we've cleared all the hoists of the jobs today and an extra one, so yeah, pretty good effort by the boys. This one's a Stealth Cam CNC heads. It has the VCM, or actually rebranded Walkinshaw OTR. Has a set of 4-into-1 headers. I'm not sure what brand they actually are. So we just, give it a run and compare apples for apples. Don't always have to have the ramjet on, and we'll just show you a bit of a comparison as well, and what our components can do mixed with some other components. We'll get it on and we'll show you the results. Okay, good power, 344 rear wheel kilowatts, something we'd expect within the range. 6.6, that's where the Stealth works. Automatic transmission, how cool, you can make that type of power with the standard stall converter in it, no modification needed. Got the 327 diff gears as well, so this thing will accelerate. So that's really good genuine numbers as well. So what that shows you is you can have other parts. Our recipe works a little bit better, but if you've got that, it's no use changing for the price wise, unless you're after every little penny, after every little horsepower per penny. So that's the results that you've got there. So you can see here, is the green car, 344, and you'll see the top end, there's a bit of a difference there, 354 versus 340 at that range, 355. So at that range, it's, some 8 to 10 rear wheel kilowatts. Granted, it does have the MAF still in it, so there's a bit of a restriction. If they took that out, it'd probably get a couple more. But what it does show you is that in comparison for all the parts, they're close, but the Ramjet 3 and our triple step headers do make more power and more torque. You can see it all the way through. So even there, and then there's questions about the triple steps as well, down low. So good result, custom will be awesome. We've reused these parts and we put the best investment into the CNC heads and the camshaft. No need to really change the exhaust and the OTR on this one, unless you're after every little last horsepower. So it still can be done with these products. We don't just bag everything. We just do say that, if you're doing it from scratch, use the components that we know that do make a little bit more. And, he'll be very happy with his car, 344 rear wheel kilowatts with that diff ratio. The car will be awesome. And so guys, if you've got some of this stuff, we can use it. We're not going to turn you away. If you haven't bought it, we'd prefer you to buy a Ramjet 3 because it does make more power. That's it for a wrap. 5 cars done Friday. Back up another one tomorrow morning. And hope you guys enjoy all the video content. I'm going home for a rest.